9 out of 10 drivers are sitting on features they've never used, never noticed, and never been told about, and it's quietly costing them money, stress, and sometimes safety. That button you've ignored for years just saved someone from a $400 tow bill. Another one hiding in your key fob helped save a man's life just weeks ago. Your car has 17 hidden features mechanics rarely explain. Features that prevent breakdowns, protect you in emergencies, and save real money over time. Number 17 stops dead battery panic. Number 1 can be the difference between life and death. Let's get into it. Number 17. Hidden keyhole and backup key in your fob. Your key fob dies. No warning, no clicks. You press the button and nothing happens. You're standing there thinking your car is locked forever. That's when people panic and call a tow truck, but almost every modern key fob has a physical backup key hidden inside it. Look closely at your fob. There's a small release button or switch on the side or back. Slide it and a metal key comes out. That's not decorative. That key works. Now, the second part most people never know. The door keyhole is hidden. Manufacturers hide it under the driver's door handle to keep the car looking clean. Feel behind the handle. There's usually a small plastic cover. Pry it gently with the key and underneath is a standard keyhole. Insert the key, turn it, and the door opens like an old school car. No battery, no electronics. A mechanic told me about a woman who paid for a tow because her fob died at a grocery store. The tow driver unlocked it in 10 seconds using that hidden key. She had owned the car for 6 years and never knew it existed. Find that key today. Know where that keyhole is, because when your fob dies, and it eventually will, you don't want to learn this the hard way. Number 16. Shift lock override for dead batteries. A dead battery doesn't just stop your engine, it locks your car in place. Modern cars use electronic shifters. No power means you can't move the gear selector out of park. That means you can't push the car, can't roll it, can't load it onto a flatbed. You're stuck. But there's a manual override built in. Look near your shifter. You'll see a small plastic cover, usually rectangular. Sometimes it has a tiny symbol. Pop that cover off with your key or a screwdriver. Under it is a button or slot. Press it or insert the key while shifting and the car moves out of park. That's it. A college student with a dead battery was quoted $200 for a tow. His friend found the shift lock override, they pushed the car to a safe spot, jumped it later, and paid nothing. This feature exists because engineers know batteries fail. Most owners never use it. Learn where yours is before you need it. Number 15. Dashboard warns about icy, slippery roads. That little snowflake symbol or slippery road icon isn't there for decoration. When your dashboard shows it, the outside temperature is hovering around the danger zone, usually around 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Roads freeze before air does. Bridges and shaded areas ice over first. That warning is your car telling you conditions are changing even if the road looks fine. The sensor isn't guessing, it's reading temperature near the road surface. People ignore this warning all the time and then wonder how they slid off the road at low speed. When you see it, slow down. Increase distance. Expect less grip. Your car warned you for a reason. Number 14. Turn off lane warnings forever. Lane departure alerts are helpful for some drivers and unbearable for others. The constant beeping and steering correction drives people crazy. Many cars reset this feature every time you start the engine, but some let you disable it permanently. Go into your infotainment system. Look under driver assistance or safety settings. You may see an option like remember last setting or default off. Turn it on and the system stays disabled every drive. No more pressing buttons every time you start the car. It's there if you want it, gone if you don't. Number 13. SOS, emergency call button. That button near your mirror with SOS or a phone symbol isn't decoration. Press it and you're connected directly to emergency services. The system sends your exact GPS location automatically, even if you can't speak, even if you're confused or injured. Some systems call for help automatically when airbags deploy. An operator comes on the line and dispatches responders immediately. A driver who suffered a medical emergency managed to press that button before losing consciousness. Help arrived in minutes because responders knew exactly where he was. Know where that button is. Test it once so you don't waste time searching when seconds matter. Number 12. Car locks. Walk-away locking is one of those features you don't realize you need until you have it. You park, walk away, and the car locks itself automatically when the key fob leaves the area. No button presses, no second guessing. If your car has proximity keys, there's a good chance this feature exists. Check your settings under automatic locking. Turn it on once and never worry again. Some systems also unlock the car as you approach. Hands full, no fumbling. Just walk up and open the door. Number 11. Traction control button. That button with the car and squiggly lines isn't just there for show. Traction control reduces wheel spin by cutting engine power. That's great on slippery roads, but terrible when you're stuck in snow or mud. When wheels need to spin to get traction, traction control can trap you. Turn it off temporarily to rock the car free. Once you're moving again, turn it back on. A tow driver once freed a stuck car in seconds by pressing that button. The driver had already spent 20 minutes spinning helplessly. Know when to use it. Number 10. Tilt down side mirror. Scraped rims are expensive and common. Many cars let the passenger mirror tilt down automatically when you shift into reverse. It shows the curb and your rear wheel clearly. Set it once by adjusting the mirror while in reverse. The car remembers it. Every time you park, the mirror tilts down. No guessing, no scraping. One setup saves hundreds over the life of the car. Number 9. Auto-dimming rearview mirror. That mirror darkens itself when bright lights hit it from behind. Sensors detect glare and reduce it instantly. No flipping tabs, no squinting. Hanging items from the mirror can block those sensors and reduce effectiveness. That mirror is actively protecting your eyes every night you drive. Number 8. Headlight adjustment wheel. Load heavy items in your trunk and your headlights aim higher. That blinds oncoming drivers. The small dial near your knee lets you angle headlights downward. Empty car, keep it at 0. Loaded trunk, dial it down. Better visibility for you, less glare for everyone else. Number 7. Key fob panic button as flashlight. That panic button does more than make noise. Press it and your headlights flash, lighting up your surroundings. Use it in dark parking lots, garages, or when you drop something near your car. If you feel unsafe, noise and flashing lights draw attention fast. One button, multiple uses. Number 6. Remote start, hidden in key fob. Many cars have remote start without a labeled button. The sequence is often lock, then press and holds lock again. The engine starts. People pay hundreds for aftermarket systems they already had. Check your manual before spending money. Number 5. Auto folding mirrors. Folding mirrors protect themselves. Program them to fold automatically when you lock the car. Tight streets, garages, and parking lots are where mirrors get broken. Replacement is expensive. One setting prevents it. Number 4. The black dots on your windshield. Those dots protect the adhesive holding the glass in place from UV damage. They prevent leaks, reduce glare distortion, and help the windshield last longer. They're functional, not decorative. Number 3. Extendable sun visor trick. Your visor swings to the side to block sun through the window. Some extend for extra coverage. Sun glare causes accidents. Use the visor properly from every angle. Number 2. Adjustable steering weight settings. Some cars let you change how heavy the steering feels independent of drive mode. Sporty steering with eco-efficiency is possible. It's usually hidden in vehicle settings. A simple adjustment can completely change how the car feels. Number 1. Double tap your hazards to save your life. Some cars activate faster, brighter emergency flashing when you double tap the hazard button. It grabs attention immediately. In a real emergency, visibility matters. Test your hazards. Know what your car does. That one action could bring help when you need it most. If even one of these features was new to you, imagine how many others you've missed. Your car is smarter than you think. Learn it, use it, and let it work for you instead of against you.